So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I have a very special, very special subwoofer, okay, from DLS. Okay, so this is the sub. Okay, so this sub is very special because ada satu je dalam Malaysia, which is mine. Okay, so this is a custom import for me. Okay, it's a special import lah untuk saya. Alright, it's a DLS RCS8.D2. So D2 maksudnya 2 ohms. Okay, so this subwoofer is 2 ohm subwoofer, and you can also make it a 4 ohm subwoofer. Okay, so nothing special. It's an 8-inch subwoofer. So okay, quick hint, this is for my car, but I'm not going to share where am I going to put it just yet. Sebab ada dia punya special location untuk sub ni. So this is going to be a crazy installation. Okay, memang korang tak pernah nampak lah installation macam ni dekat Malaysia. Okay, which I'm going to do this in my car. So it's an 8-inch slim subwoofer. Maksudnya dia punya magnet tak besar. Okay, die cast aluminium basket, sandwich composite cone, and it's only 250 watt RMS, which for SQ it doesn't really matter how much RMS you are going to have, as long it's clean power, should be fine. Okay, now let's unbox this beautiful sub. First you will get your manual. So all the informations are here. Okay, technical specs, this is very important, sangat penting. So FS dia 44 Hz, which is perfect because that's my crossover point untuk sub ni. Okay, QTS is 0.641, ideal enough, and MMS, moving mass, and I have plenty of excursion in this sub. Xmax dia 6mm so there's a lot of movement that's going to be happening in this sub also lah. Alright, and you'll get your warranty card. Sinahan tag. Okay, open up. Tak ada grill So woofer ni tak ada grill. I don't know why DLS is not giving grill, but I have to buy them separately. Okay, so far tak ada apa dalam ni, kosong saja. So this is the sub. It is solid build, honestly. Okay, so this is an 8-inch subwoofer for my hand in context. Okay, orang cakap 8 inci tu tak besar, kepala butuh, tengok besar. Okay, so this is an 8-inch sub. Okay, nicely built. It's a bit stiff at the moment sebab tak break in lagi. Look at the basket. Amazing, man. So it's a shallow mount subwoofer. Ni aluminium Ni aluminium. And the voice coil is pretty tebal. Okay, it's very tebal, so it can handle a lot of power. Okay, so this is the sub. Pretty good. Alright, so 2 ohms. So terminal dia kat sini. Terminal lug dia ada 2. So if you want to make it as 4 ohms, you can make it as 4 ohm, and you can also make it as 1 ohm. So it's pretty crazy for 1 ohm lah. Okay, 1 ohm kita tak perlukan that much of power, to be fair. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the DLS 8-inch RCS8.D2 slim subwoofer. Alright, so stay tuned for the installation because I will vlog the entire process of making an enclosure for this. Okay, so see you guys in the next one.